Okay, so before we actually get into the video, have you watched the last videos that I uploaded? If you haven't, here is a little replay for the last, I think like 2 or 3 videos that I uploaded. Girl, if you have not watched them, I am going to leave them linked down below for you to watch it. If this is the first time on my channel, welcome. Click my name and just check out all the other amazing videos that we have here. Natural hair. Now we're adding a little bit of fashion and, you know, extensions, clip-ins, wigs, basically everything here that you can think of, and hopefully turning it into a little bit of everything, like beauty and fashion kind of thing. Maybe lifestyle too, we'll see, but keep watching. Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. Today I'm showing you another simple natural hairstyle. Natural hairstyle, that sounds a little funny, but it's just a flat twist protective hairstyle that you can do. It's really simple, really quick. If you can flat twist, then this should be easy to do. You can obviously do cornrows or you can roll your hair as well. Obviously doing flat twists or cornrows are going to help the hairstyle last longer, but you can definitely roll it as well if you can't do either one of those. So as you can see, I'm making lines at the front. We're actually going to have quite a few lines, as you saw at the beginning of the video. Now, do the lines have to be straight? They don't need to. Do they have to be angled like I'm doing? They don't need to. Just do what makes you feel comfortable. Like this, like one message I'm always trying to send, your hair should not be a struggle. It should not be something that is stressing you. Try to have fun with it so that you enjoy the process of taking care of your hair, whether you're doing it yourself or someone else is doing it for you. But of course, I absolutely do encourage for you to do your own hair, just because for me, doing it for myself really helped a lot in me falling in love with my hair and to stop seeing it as a problem. I realized that I always saw it as a problem because I didn't know how to take care of it. Since I learned how to take care of my own hair, it stopped being a problem and it now has become honestly a source of enjoyment, of fun, of time that I spend with myself. And you know, most of the time I'm in the mirror, so I'm also looking at myself and falling in love with myself, which there is nothing wrong with that. And don't let anyone tell you that there's something wrong with you falling in love with yourself. After all, no one can love you if you can't love yourself. For real. Like, you need to show people how to love you. I mean, sometimes we'll say that there's those just people that are just so nice that they can love you. But I'm telling you, you need to show people how to love you. Because I think when we're loving people, we're always trying to love them how we would want to be loved. So if someone is loving you when you don't love yourself, it's like they're trying to love you how they would want to be loved. Eventually, you want people to love you how you love yourself. And that requires teaching, honestly. It requires teaching people, showing people. But this is just a flat twist, as you can see. I don't know how to explain a flat twist very well. So I'm just going to let you ladies watch it. It's not something that I'm good at. In fact, my flat twist wouldn't last 2 weeks for sure. But I'm trying, right? I'm trying, I'm practicing, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get better. Like they always say, anything that you're going to get good at is going to take practice. And that means it does not have to be perfect for now. Like mine is not perfect. I feel like 1 week is the maximum that I can keep flat twists. And I'm okay with that because I am learning, and I know soon I'll definitely be able to do some strong flat twists, and I'll be able to explain to you the process and in a way where you'll also be able to learn. Like I love getting comments on the cornrow video that I showed you how to cornrow. People are like, oh my God, I finally figured it out. Thank you so much. I'm hoping that I can do that for a flat twist as well, but I'm not there yet, to be honest. But I'm going to keep practicing because I'm not about to give up on myself or my hair journey, and you know, trying to have as much fun as possible with my hair. So I'm finishing this side. I'm going to move to the other side as well. I'm going to try and match up the lines. You don't have to do it. Again, if it's going to cause you stress, then don't do it. In fact, if doing lines is something that causes you stress, try doing your hair when there's someone else in the house who can do the lines for you. That would be a great help if the lines are annoying for you. Or try to do hairstyles where lines don't really matter, to be honest. Just because the lines are at the front, I honestly feel like you should try to do them straight if you can. Again, not to the point where it's stressing you. The reason I'm saying that is because if the lines are at the front of your face, then they sort of like help shape your face. So if the lines are too crooked, like if it's just a little off, it's fine. But if they're too crooked, then they kind of make your face look a little crooked as well. So just something to keep in mind. And like I always say, if this is the first time on my channel, I'm always practicing, enjoy the process of doing your own hair. And what I'm doing right now, you don't have to do the same thing. In fact, you should not do the same thing, especially if your face shape is different as mine. Just take it as sort of like an inspiration and then change it to however your face structure is, your lifestyle is, your outfits. Like, change it according to you and make it work for yourself. But remember to have fun in all of it, and remember to enjoy your natural hair journey or process, or just caring for yourself. Just remember to do that. But all in all, how are you ladies doing? How has your week been? So we're actually having a long weekend in Canada, and we have Mondays. Basically, Mondays are off, and pretty much most people are not working. Well, at least I'm not. I'm at home. I've had a long cleaning day. I've basically been cleaning, rearranging stuff. I feel like I basically just moved into my new place. Well, it's not a new place. It's like my old place. But I feel like I've moved into it again just because I'm moving things around, trying to like fall in love with the place again. So that's what I've been doing, and laying on the couch and organizing again, but just basically having a rest day, which I feel it's been a long time coming. I feel like I have sort of like made a life decision right now, and I'm settled in my mind. I'm focused on what's coming, and I actually decided what to do with my life. More like I decided what to do with the rest of the year. So now I feel some kind of like a zen thing going on my mind, which I've not had for, I feel like, mostly like, I think all the months of this year that we had this year. My mind has been restless just because of the life decisions that I was planning to make. And I feel like now I've come to a solid decision. So I feel good. I feel good, honestly. I feel like now I have a clear vision of what I'm going to do with the rest of the year, and then we'll definitely look into next year and see how that is going to play out. If you've been having the same thing as me, like, having a little, my sister are calling it my middle life crisis. Just because I was making really big decisions or like planning to make big changes in my life without, I'm not going to say without thinking it through, because I'm really not that type of person. I do think things through, but maybe it's just not the right time in my life for me to be making those decisions. So I'm glad that I'm calm now, and I'm back. My sister's actually extra happy with the decision that I've made. And I feel like I can live in my place again, to be honest. I feel like I had somehow moved out of my place, and now I'm back in, which is why I'm actually like reorganizing stuff and just trying to basically see me again in my house. Does that even make sense? Like, I'm always asking this because sometimes I feel like I talk like random stuff and I'm just like, does that even make sense? But anyways, all in all, to say that I feel at home. Actually, yeah, that's the word I was looking. That's exactly what I was looking for. I feel at home in my home again. I'm definitely going to do more reorganizing. I'm trying not to buy any new things and try to use the decor and just everything that I have already, just because, saving money is one of the goals that I have for this year. So I'm definitely trying not to buy any new things and spend money on useless things that I basically do not need. But yeah, so as you can see, I made the little boxes. There's really nothing to it. It's just really doing the twist. You should try and make the boxes the same size if you can. And then I'm also, again, just twisting the hair, as you can see. And I'm going to do that for the other one as well. And then we're just going to do a very simple donut bun at the back. You can definitely go extra at the back and do something, fancy, or I don't know. You can do actually a longer ponytail. I think that would actually be cute with this hairstyle. If you did like a long ponytail, maybe like a long curly ponytail. What do you think? I think that sounds actually quite nice. Maybe the next time what I'm going to do, I will do lines, but I'll do straight lines instead of doing the lines at an angle, and then do like a curly ponytail. If anyone does that, send me a picture on Instagram. My name on Instagram is just Yasser. It's Yasser K. It's always on the screen somewhere. I think on the bottom it's always there, so you can definitely send me a picture. I'd like to see that, and I think I'll just try it too sometime in the future. Maybe even do cornrows instead of flat twist and just see how that turns out. But as you can see, I'm just pulling the hair together. You can do a low bun if that's what you prefer, or you can do like a bun, and I'm just going to say this is the middle of your head where I'm doing it. So you can pull your bun slightly lower than mine if you want to. I think that would actually look really cute as well. And you don't have to use a donut bun. I use the donut bun for me to do it. You can do the other kind of bun. I'm going to insert a picture of where I did that bun, and the video will be linked down below if you want to check that out. You can do that other bun too if that's what you prefer. I think that would actually look really cute as well with this hairstyle, and will probably look a little more mature. Actually, I don't know why I'm using that word mature. To be honest, sometimes I get comments when people are like, oh, that hairstyle is childish, or like it's not for mature people, or it's not, I didn't realize that I'm internalizing it, which from now on that I've realized that, it's gone. It's gone. The point of my hair is for me to have fun with it. If it doesn't look mature, then oh well. To each their own. Again, this is just a, like an idea. You don't have to do the exact same thing. Do what makes you feel good. This is what's making me feel good right now. So as you can see with the bun, when I have hair, left, I usually just try to push it slightly, very gently, and it basically just goes in by itself. I always like to use a rubber band for me to put the hair over the donut bun like this. I feel like the hair stays more, or it goes in smoothly compared to using a headband. And a rubber band, try to get a smaller one so that it can actually hold tight. As you can see, I'm going again in with the Shine and Jam Gel. Like, girl, you can skip this style if it's not for you. But I'm just going to brush my edges a little bit, just like I said. When I do my flat twist, I'm not very good at gripping the hair, so it needs a little help. And just to finish the whole look, you all know already how much I love earrings if you're not new here. So I always love finishing the look with some earrings. I actually don't wear necklaces a lot, but mostly because I feel like my earrings usually make enough of a statement to the point where I don't need to wear a necklace. But this is the finished look, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. I hope you're going to try it. Just adding a little bit of accessories just to add a little fun to it. Again, if you find this childish, y'all, I should stop this. But anyways, if you find it childish, then don't add the accessories. But I love it and I enjoy it. So it is what it is. But this is it for the video, ladies. Have a nice week, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, ladies. Actually, no, I'll see you on Thursday since I uploaded this on Monday. Bye, ladies.